welcome back. So I'm announcing a giveaway today, and it's going to be this item right here, the Sleep Zone WAGON-HEADED eye mask. Basically you put this around your eyes and you can have better sleep if light bothers you, or if you're in a plane or something. You can use this to get better sleep. All you have to do is click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and make a comment if you like. And they will be brand new, and I will announce the winner as soon as I get a chance. The winner will also get a shout out, so that will be part of it too. I will go ahead and put a shout out for whoever wins. Since we got that out of the way, we're gonna cover today's unboxing. I honestly don't know what it is. I've ordered some stuff from Amazon and I don't know what this one is. So it will be a surprise as we open it. What is it gonna be? So this here is the, it's from Basecamp Sport Mask with Exhalation valves. I'm actually excited about this, really excited. And you put this over your mouth, covers a part of your face, and allows for like easier way of doing something. So you can see on there like for cycling, mountain biking, running, horse riding, snowboarding, skiing, speed walking, climbing, you can put that on. So for me, like if I ride the bicycle, the wind, or maybe there's some bugs or whatever, you put this on and you can just breathe freely and have a better experience. Let's open it up. That's how it looks. This part goes over your ear, and this part right here is just Velcro. So you stick that on. Those two parts go over your ear, that goes over the back of your head, and this obviously will cover your nose and mouth. Amazon has it, so obviously because I ordered it from there, and you can go ahead and click on the link and buy it if you think you will make use of it. I am doing a giveaway. It's this item right here, which is your Sleep Zone WAGON-HEADED eye mask, and all you have to do is subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, click the like button, and make a comment if you feel like doing that. And I'll announce the winner in one of my videos, and I'll put a shout out to the winner and send it to you, and you can enjoy it, sleep better, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and have an incredible day.